Hello children, good morning. Sit straight in your chairs, join your hands and let's start the prayer. Shantakaram bhujagashayanam padmanabham suresham vishwadharam gaganasadrusham meghavarna shubhangam lakshmikantam kamalanayanam yogibhirdhyanagamyam Vande Vishnum Bhavabhayaharam Sarvalokaikanaatham. Good morning, children. Welcome to your English grammar revision class. Today is 17th December 2020. Today is Thursday. Today we will do revision of English grammar. Which chapter? Chapter 4, describing words, and chapter 5, more on describing words. Okay? So tell me, what are describing words? What are describing words? The words which give information, more information about naming words are called describing words. Okay, so the words which give or which tell us more about naming words. So what are naming words? What are naming words? Naming words. N-A-M-I-N-G, naming, W-O-R-D-S. What are naming words? Names of person, names of persons, places, animals, and T-H-I-N-G-S, things. Right? So, these are names of persons, places, animals, and things. All these are naming words. Right? So, the words which tell us more about these naming words are called describing words. Let's understand the definition with this by solving this exercise. Okay? So let me erase this part here. Look here, children. Exercise A. Encircle the describing words. Okay, what we need to do in this exercise? Encircle the describing words. What is the meaning of encircle? You need to circle. Encircle is nothing but circle. Circle the describing words. Okay, see, 8 sentences are given here. We need to read out each sentence. Okay, and then we need to encircle the describing word. So let's start. Number 1. The dog has a curly tail. The dog has a curly tail. Okay. So describing word is a word which gives more information about a naming word. Right. So what is a naming word here? Dog has a curly tail. Tail is naming word. Tail is part of dog's body. Right. It is a part. As we have hand, like that a dog has a tail. Okay, so this is naming word. Okay, children. Oh, let me not circle this. We need to circle only describing words. So let me not circle this. I will underline tail. T-A-I-L, tail. So tail is naming word. Okay, we need to encircle the describing word. Describing word. How is the tail? How is the tail? Curly. Okay, it is curly. Tail is curly. Okay. So, here curly is describing word. So, circle curly. Curly is describing word. The dog has a curly tail. Curly is describing word. You need to circle only curly. Okay, in your exam paper you don't have to write You don't have to underline this naming word and write naming word here. You don't have to put an arrow mark like this and write a describing word here. You don't have to do all these things. I'm explaining you, that is why all sorts of drawing are here. You just have to circle the describing word. Okay. See the second one. These are tiny chicks. So chicks is naming word. And how are the chicks? How are those chicks? Chicks are tiny. Tiny. It means very small. Very small. So tiny is your describing word. Describing word. Tiny is describing word. Number 3. I am reading a good book. I am reading a good book. So book is naming word. Book is naming word. What type of book it is? Good. Good book. It means good is describing word. Good is describing word. Number 4. The house has strong walls. Walls. Walls is naming word because wall is thing. So, naming word. Naming word. And what kind of walls are these? Strong. Strong walls. So, strong is describing word. Number 5. Renu has a red dress. Renu has a red dress. Dress is naming word. And what is the color of the dress? Red color. So all colors are describing words. Remember this. So how is the dress? Red. So circle red. Red is describing word. Number 6. I have 6 pencils and 2 erasers. I have 6 pencils. Pencils is naming word. Right? This is a thing. So this is naming word. And how many? 6 pencils. 6 pencils. 6 is describing word. Okay? And 6 pencils and 2 erasers. Again erasers. Thing. Naming word. How many erasers? 2 erasers. So the 2 is describing word. So 6 and 2 are describing words. It means numbers. It means all numbers are describing words. 7th one. I wear a blue uniform to school. I wear a blue uniform to school. Okay. Now look here. Blue uniform. Blue uniform. Okay. Here school is there. But before school, no describing word before school. Okay. But here uniform is there. Uniform is naming word. Right. It is a dress. Uniform is a dress you wear to school. So uniform is naming word. And what kind of dress it is? What is the color of the dress? Blue. So all colors are like a red dress, blue uniform. So red is describing word. So blue is also describing word. Blue is also describing word. All colors are describing words. 8th one. Ashok is a lazy boy. So boy is person. So this is your naming word. And what kind of boy he is? He is a lazy boy. Lazy is describing word. Lazy is describing word. So what are describing words here? The dog has a curly tail. Curly is describing word. These are tiny chicks. Tiny is describing word. I am reading a good book. Good is describing word. The house has strong walls. Strong is describing word. Renu has a red dress. Red is describing word. I have 6 pencils. 6 and 2 erasers. 6 and 2 are describing words. I wear a blue uniform to school. Blue uniform. Blue is a describing word. Ashok is a lazy boy. And lazy is describing word. Okay, children? Now let's do this exercise. This is over. Now let's come here. Write opposites for the following. Okay. Here 6 words are there. We need to write opposites, opposite to these words. Okay. So here you have a help box. Some words are given here. So just read the words in the help box and choose right opposite for the given words. Okay. So let's read the words. We need to write opposites. Okay. So start. Cold, bad, wide, full, and light. Words in help box. What is the first one? Good. Good. What's the opposite of good, children? Good. Bad. S. B-A-D. Bad. Good. Bad. Second one. Stop. Stop. What is the opposite of stop? Cold. Wide. Full. Then start. Yes. Stop. Start. Number 3. Dark. Dark. What is the opposite of dark? Wide. No. Full. No. Light. Yes. Dark. Light. Dark. L-I-G-H-T. Light. Dark. Light. Number 4. Hot. Hot. What is the opposite of hot? Cold. Yes. Hot. Cold. Number 5. Empty. Empty. Nothing is there. Empty. What is the opposite of empty? Full. Full. Empty. Full. Number 6. Narrow. Narrow. Opposite of narrow is wide. Wide. W-I-D. Wide. Good. Bad. Stop. Start. Dark. Light. Hot. Cold. Empty. Full. Narrow and wide. Okay. Now only one more exercise is there. Okay. Let's finish that also. Now look at this exercise, children. Match the following. Okay. F-O-L-L-O-W-I-N-G. Match the following. Okay. Column A and column B. 2 columns are given. Look at the words in column A. Pretty, tasty, old, and happy. Pretty, tasty, old, and happy. Okay. So what are all these? Pretty, tasty, old, happy. All these are describing words. Okay. So describing words are those words which give more information about naming words. So let's see if we have naming words in column B or not. Man. Yes. Person. Children. Yes. Persons. Dress. Thing. Food. Thing. Yes. So naming words. Okay. So column A we have describing words. Column B we have naming words. Okay, children. Column A describing words. Column B naming words. So let us match column A with column B. Okay, children. Start. Pretty. Pretty man. No. Pretty children. No. Pretty dress. Yes. Pretty dress. So match pretty with the dress. Pretty dress. Pretty dress. Second one. Tasty. Tasty man. No. Tasty children. No. Tasty food. Yes. Tasty food. Third one. Old. Old man. Yes. Old man. Happy children. Yes. So, pretty food. Tasty. Sorry. Pretty dress. Pretty dress. Tasty foot. Old man. Happy children. Finish. So, this is all about our chapter 4 and chapter 5. Describing words and more on describing words. Okay, children. So, that's all for today. Meet you in EVS class. I hope these exercises are clear to you. Okay, children. Tata, children. Bye-bye.